Hello students, welcome to Library 1, section 1427, summer 2026. My name is Alberto Romero and I will be your professor this semester. This is the Canvas site. In library research methods, we're going to learn about the process of research, the difference between an appropriate time to use books, articles, and web resources, how to navigate a variety of databases, beginning, analyzing, and evaluating of different information resources, and how to create a works cited page from the Modern Language Association, which is going to be worth 50 points. So you can click on syllabus here to look at the syllabus, or on the left-hand side, you'll notice there's announcements, syllabus, modules, assignments, quizzes, discussions. So in this case, I'm just going to scroll down here. You could see information on how to contact me, either through the Canvas inbox, or you can send me a direct email at romero_alberto@smc.edu. Also, I am online on Wednesdays from 10 a.m. to 10:30, and there's a Zoom link here that you can click on for that. You want to start here and complete two important assignments, because these two assignments will be due on Monday, and they need to be completed. Otherwise, you will be dropped from the course. This is the introduction and the honor code. Submitting these two assignments guarantees you a place in the course. Otherwise, you will be dropped. Also, for week 1, there are these other assignments: the weekly check-in for 1, an assignment on how to pick your part, or actually pick a topic. That's due on Thursday, June 25th. And there's going to be a quiz also on the research process, due on Friday. So you'll see the due dates listed here for each assignment: week 3 and week 2. Let's go back here so I can show you again. So you want to start here, start here and week 1. And then for week 2, you just go to week 2, etc., up to week 6. You can ask librarians for assistance if you're stuck on anything, but everything really is all there for you through the assignments and the examples. So you should be able to complete that on your own. If you have any technical difficulties with Canvas, there's a phone number here also. So let's look at the syllabus really quickly here. This is Library 1, Research Methods 2026, and it's 100% online, and it runs from June 22nd to July 31st, 6 weeks. Again, my email address, and if you're going to email me, make sure in the subject line you include Library 1, section 1427. So there's more information here: course description, the student learning outcomes. Upon completion of this course, students will be able to complete how to retrieve a full text scholarly article from an aggregator database using appropriate limiters, use electronic and print resources to find appropriate materials, and create a bibliography in MLA format. These are some required texts, which are all free. You just click on the link and click on read and on contents, and you'll be able to read online. Web resources here for students. Again, contents here, and the MLA handbook. So if you're stuck on citation, anything that requires a citation, you can refer to this handbook. But I will say that each example or each assignment, I do provide examples, so you should be fine. So the methods of evaluation are here. The honor code, which is due on the first day, that's worth 5 points, it must be completed. And down the line, we are going to have 2 quizzes. Actually, one quiz will be in the first week. 7 check-ins, each worth 5 points. 7 assignments, each worth 10 points. A midterm worth 30 points. A video workshop response, which will be worth 10 points. And the final project, which is actually an accumulation of different works cited that you will be completing for these worksheets. So all you have to do is basically just create a works cited page, and that's it. That's going to be an easy 50 points. You're going to make sure that those citations are correct and fixed. And the final exam worth 50 points. That's going to be due on the last day of the class, but I do open it up generally on a Wednesday. So participation, that also I will give you some points for participating, and more information on the workshops, quizzes, what to expect, the final project, the grading scale, and if you need to drop the course, information on that. Tips for success, accommodations for disabilities, academic honesty, Title IX, emotional support, and more information. So if you click on home here, you get back to the home page, and whatever assignment's going to be due, you'll see under coming up here. If you have any questions, please reach out. I do have an AI policy. AI is only allowed to brainstorm and not to create citations or to help you look for articles. You will be looking for articles using the library's databases. Everything that you will be finding is going to be on the library's website, either one search to find ebooks or books, or the databases that we will be using, for example, JSTOR or US Newsstream, and also Business Source Elite, just to name some of the databases that we will be exploring. If you have any questions, please reach out to me. I look forward to meeting you all. Take care, everyone.